Hey everybody, so I got some new planters to share with you today, and these were sent over by a company to try out. Now I have two different ones here. I do have a single 12-inch one. This one is a gray pitted one, and this one is a large 12-inch ceramic. As you can see, this is a really big, really heavy pot. I mean, this is heavy duty. We do have our drain holes, and these also do come with these little plastic deals that you could stick at the bottom to keep your soil from falling out of the holes. And then we have a nice big ceramic saucer. Now, I was pretty excited with this set. I thought they were really pretty when I chose them. And we do have three different sizes with this one. We have a 10, an 8, and a 6-inch. And these all do have the little plastic deals as well, and also the saucers. Now, the biggest issue I ran into is figuring out what I want to plant in these. So I think for this large one, I'm going to put this larger Monstera in that is starting to get a little large for its pot. Now, I do mix my soil, and sometimes it depends on the plant of what the mix will be. The biggest thing is you just want to make sure that you have soil that aerates really well and still has moisture retention in it. In my mixes, I use vermiculite, biochar. I also use the cocoa bricks, and then I mix in some kind of a potting mix. Use whatever you prefer. If it's Miracle-Gro, whatever brand. All right, she came out really easy. Let's go ahead and pot her up. All right, and we are done. This is a beautiful pot. I'll give you a quick close-up of this pot here. It looks really nice, though. Yeah, it's my girlfriend's birthday today, so I figured I'd repot her plant, because this is hers, actually. All right, so now we got the other set. I got to figure out what I'm going to plant in these ones. All right, so I decided on a couple different plants. I got one of my smaller spiders that definitely needs a repot. That is one cool thing about these clear pots, though. You can see the roots grow. A prayer plant, and I have a Dephibaki I've been propagating in water for a little bit. Now, I love plants. I'm sure a lot of people have seen in my previous videos. I got a lot of plants. I got a lot of plant stands. I am not a pro when it comes to gardening or planting. I'm still learning. But if anybody has questions, I'll try my best to answer them. I definitely like this pot. She'll have a lot of room to grow now. Now, spiders usually prefer to be root bound before you repot them. This one is definitely a little bit root bound, and it could go a little bit further. Now she'll have a lot of room to grow in this one. Now I'll give you another quick look up close with these pots. They definitely look beautiful. I really like the colors of them. I like the shininess of it. I think they are beautiful and great sizes, and I love that they're heavy duty ceramic. Then of course I showed you that large 12-inch one that I used for the Monstera. But if you're wanting some really good planters that look really pretty, definitely check this brand out. They got some beautiful ones. They also have a lot of other sizes and a lot of other designs.